Ice cream lover Steve Christensen's my name, the self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, the ice cream bloke's best-selling author. The list goes on and on, but for this purpose, it's just you and me. Just having a chit-chat. We're just friends. We're going to talk a little bit about labeling today. I do want to thank our episode sponsor, though, which is the Ice Cream Club. I went down to Florida, toured the Ice Cream Club facility. It's awesome. Rich, Heather, the whole crew there. If you're saying, you know, I love the ice cream business, I want to have a community ice cream shop, I don't necessarily want to make my own ice cream. Rich and Heather out of Florida, they do all of that Southeast area. You want to drop them a visit down below. Their link is down below. Thank you very much, the Ice Cream Club, for your episode sponsorship. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about pint labels. I keep these pints as a great example of just good looking pints. You've got a lot of graphics there. Around the rim of the lid there, you've got graphics on the top. And I know what you're thinking, well, Steve, I'm not there yet. I don't have this kind of volume or capital, and what are some labeling options for me? Well, there are some good options for you, and a very easy one is to get a label just kind of custom printed for your pints. Now, when I was considering doing this, we do fundraisers here and help organizations with ice cream. I thought to myself, wouldn't it be cool to have a label that was actually an image of what's actually in the pint? So you could look at the lid and see what it was going to be like in the pint. I'll give you an example. Over on the hand here, Mad, ready? Shing! Okay, so this was a label that we had done. It's basically, we picked a color per flavor. So this is our vanilla bean. It's got a vanilla label there, but it's actually the same color as the product that's in there. So is it like having a clear lid? Well, no, but at least it gives the customer an idea, that visual aspect of what they can expect in the pint. Should we do another one? Shing! Cookies and cream. So cookies and cream was another one we did. We actually did a third one. Let's get it going here. Ready for this? Shing! Mint chip. Mint chip was another one, and one more. Let's see if we can get it going. See if we can get the magic code going here. Ready? Shing! Chocolate brownie. So basically what we did was we created a label that you could just very basically put, this is a 3-inch label, by the way, so it fits very nicely around the lid. Just make sure it's nice in the center there. And so what you've got now is a lid that can basically go on. It's easy to identify in the freezer. The customer can get an idea as to actually what's in the process. So again, maybe not overly visual, but you can kind of get an idea of, oh, that looks nice, big brownie chunks. We're gonna put a link to we just use U-printing down below. I've also seen stickers used for prizes. So right now we're in the middle of National Ice Cream Month, and the Ice Cream Association sent out a whole bunch of stickers that was celebrating Ice Cream Month. What I saw was people putting that sticker right actually on the bottom of the cup. And so if you actually got a sticker on the bottom of your cup, then you got it for free or half price or whatever. There's a lot you can do with stickers. They're surprisingly inexpensive for a custom sticker. It's a good bridge, I think, to a custom cup because you're giving someone something that's kind of unique to your store, your own look and feel, if you will. I think it's a good idea, inexpensive, branding. I think it's the way to go. Interested in your thoughts. We're always interested in your thoughts. That's the kind of people that we are. So leave a comment down below. If you'd like to share with us what your labeling secrets are, we'd love to hear from you. While you're down there below, click on the Ice Cream Club. Have a look at what they've got to offer. Great people. Thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. Okay, let's see if we can do with a reverse and make them disappear. Shing! That's all we have time for, folks. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video. Shing!